Well, I decided to take a little break from the tunnel welding after trying to electrocute myself and burning up my TIG torch. But that's in another video. So I did an unboxing, a little quick unboxing of my, this is a 16 kilowatt heater. It's a Webasto knockoff. But the only problem is when I pulled it out of the box, the 90-degree neck came out like that. So David McLucky actually did a really good video on these on YouTube. I'll link his in a card or something around here. But problem that I ran into is the plastic part just crumbled. I mean, it was just junk. But one thing that David showed is you can take the pump, and the pump has the same fitting on there, and you can just jam the pump in there and then zap strap it or zip tie it right to there. So I don't like that idea, because if I ever want to replace that pump, I'm shit out of luck if I don't have that adapter. I called Trax Off Grid, which is where I bought this heater, and he's going to send me another part, another one of those parts, but I don't like the idea of it being plastic. He's found a couple of them that have been busted, so he's got some extras, so he's going to send me those, but figured I'd go ahead and just make one out of aluminum. So let's get to that. And there we have it. So I chooched one up out of aluminum and rounded off the corner, because the way the bolt hole pattern is, it only goes in one way. So figured we'd. Oh, that's tight. That's too tight. That's T-I-T-T tight. It is all about those O-rings. Alright, damn it. Huh. Well, should have tried it with the O-rings on before I fucking did all the rest of this stuff. Alright, well, I'm going to pull these O-rings off deep in that channel right there by another thou. So it'll fit in this stupid thing. Or just jam it in there. The first one goes just fine, and they are exactly within. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, okay, that goes in just fine. And bolts, 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 bolts right here. Oh, would you look at that? I gotta take this shoulder off. The bolts are catching on it. Ain't that a bugger? Let's just put it back on the lathe, turn that sucker down. Pain in the junk. One O-ring, two O-ring. Well, while I got it in the lathe, I'm going to knock that O-ring down just to, yeah, you know what? Screw it. I like that. I like it tight. All right, I'm going to knock those down. Try it again. Okay, take 10. Got rid of the shoulder that was right here that, I don't know, just for some reason when I actually make a 90-degree shoulder, I always like to put a little shoulder there because I always feel like if it's going to snap, she's going to snap right there. So, put some O-strings on there. Get on there. Bloop. That goes in much better the second time. All right. Hey, bolt holes lined up. My super secret way of doing bolt holes is I just do a paper rub, just a pencil rub over the top of it, and I shove it on the end. Tink, tink. Shove it in the drill press. Drill it out, and ta-da. There. It's very phallic. Cool. Now I can run my 3/4 inch heater hose off of there to the pump, where I can put the pump over here out of the way of this thing. But just in case I want to replace this or change this pump to something else, then I can. Well, I know this video wasn't much, but hope you enjoyed it. We'll catch you in the next one where we actually get back to welding up that pass-through, and yeah, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Wait, before you go. I mean, we almost forgot the finishing touch. There we go. Protect your tip. Hi camera, you want to stop shaking like a junkie?